So then we move on to the stock. Same thing, end of the month. And then we print the stock valuation report. So depending on how many locations you have, you can pick the location, or if you leave it blank, then it will print for all the locations and click on preview. Now, sometimes your stock valuation total value may not match with your general ledger. Depending on the difference, you can adjust to match your stock valuation report. But most cases, it's mainly due to the timing differences of some of the stock items because of the average costing method the system will be using. You can print that report, and then there is a reconcile inventory account. Actually, it's June 2023, and you preview that report and you will see the differences here.